Welcome to our video about hair yeast infection. Shampoos and conditioners containing antifungals can help your hair fight off a yeast infection. Some of the most effective antifungals are fluconazole and ketoconazole. Ketoconazole shampoos for a scalp yeast infection may be necessary if you have a Malassezia infection. Corticosteroids, which relieve the inflammation caused by infection, can be useful for Malassezia yeast infections. OTC shampoos may be needed, too. Neem oil. Neem oil is an organic herb that is widely used as a remedy for hair yeast infections. Its nutritional value is similar to that of groundnut oil or other edible oils. It can also be used as a moisturizer and as a remedy for dandruff. For this reason, it is widely used in cosmetics, skincare, and hair oils. But be warned, neem oil can have some side effects. Before you use it, you should talk to your doctor and get a proper dosage. You can apply diluted neem oil directly to your scalp or mix it with shampoo and apply it every day for 1 to 2 hours. Pre-made solutions may come with specific guidelines for the number of applications and frequency of applications. However, you should remember to apply diluted neem oil on a patch test to determine if it may cause irritation to your skin. Neem oil for hair yeast infection can cause itching and irritation, so make sure to follow instructions carefully. As an essential oil, neem oil contains properties that can help you deal with a wide range of fungal diseases. It kills insects by suffocating them by covering them with oil. However, the oil is most effective on immature insects. The oil may not kill fully mature fungi but can limit the spread of the disease to healthy tissue. That is why neem oil for hair has become a popular treatment for various fungal infections. A study conducted by Apasana et al. Showed that the neem seed extract contained a characteristic antifungal effect against 4 species of Aspergillus niger and Aspergillus flavus. It also suppressed the growth of Candida albicans and Trichoderma resive. In other words, it works. Inhibiting yeast growth was a key component of this herb's effectiveness. Castor oil. If you have a scalp yeast infection, castor oil may be the answer. It has antifungal, antibacterial, and circulation-boosting properties. The oil is also useful for hair follicle stimulation. While the oil's benefits are widely known, there is little scientific evidence to support its effectiveness. However, it may not be a good option if you have other scalp problems such as dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis. The oil is not beneficial for hair length and may worsen the condition. In addition to treating your infection, castor oil is an excellent home remedy for skin problems. You can heat it by rubbing it between your palms and then applying it to the infected area. It should stay on your skin for about an hour before to begin work. This treatment is effective for all types of fungal infections, including hair. If you don't have a warm water bottle handy, you can use a heating pad. You can use castor oil externally to treat hair yeast infections. But beware of its side effects. It isn't for everyone. You may experience irritation or even sensitivity to the oil, which can make it difficult to use on your scalp. Some people have reported dermatitis after using the oil. Always test the product on a small area of the skin or elbow before using it on your hair. Always follow directions and start with low dosages. Castor oil contains 90% of ricinoleic acid, an acid that has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. This oil is also widely used for reducing inflammation and relieving pain in the joints. It can also be used as a topical solution for common skin problems. It also helps fight against infections and clears acne breakouts. There are other benefits of castor oil for the skin and hair. Nizoral AD. If you are experiencing dandruff, you may want to try using Nizoral AD for hair yeast infections. This shampoo contains proven antifungal ingredients that can help get rid of the problem. Simply rinse your hair with warm water, and then dry it thoroughly. Next, apply the shampoo to the affected area. Work up a lather and leave it on for 5 minutes. As always, follow your doctor's instructions to avoid side effects. This shampoo contains ketoconazole, a common antifungal medicine. It works by slowing the growth of fungus and stopping its reproduction. This shampoo is most effective if you use it once a week for 2 to 4 weeks, but you should avoid using it in humid or hot conditions. If you continue to experience symptoms, you should discontinue using the shampoo. It can also cause eye irritation. Ketoconazole has numerous side effects. Ketoconazole is a potent antifungal medication that may cause serious allergic reactions. You should report any allergic reactions to your healthcare provider. It's best to keep this medication out of the reach of children and pets and store it out of reach. You should never share ketoconazole with anyone else, and be careful not to swallow it. Although Nizoral AD is safe for most people, it may interact with some other medications. It isn't safe to use Nizoral AD if you are pregnant or nursing. Nizoral may harm your fetus, so you should consult your healthcare provider before using it. Although there are a few side effects of this medication, it's not enough to rule it out. Griseofulvin. Griseofulvin is an antifungal drug that inhibits the synthesis of fungal cell walls. It binds to keratin in the keratin precursor cell and only reaches the site of action when the hair or skin is replaced. It is effective against dermatophytes such as trichophyte and rubrum. Griseofulvin is not a cure for a hair yeast infection, but it can help treat a scalp infection. The drug comes as a tablet or a liquid to take orally. It is not for everyone. Some people with certain medical conditions, such as liver problems, are at higher risk of side effects. Also, it may interact with other medicines such as herbal products or hormonal contraceptives. Hence, patients with liver disease should avoid using griseofulvin. However, the drug is safe for people with healthy livers. If you're suffering from a yeast infection, you should consult your physician to get prescribed the proper dosage. Usually, it takes 10 mg per kilogram of body weight, but it may require a higher dose. The recommended dosage for children is based on their weight. Children are typically given the medication with a meal to prevent unpleasant side effects. Avoid alcohol consumption during treatment. Alcoholic beverages may also increase the risks of gastrointestinal distress and nausea. Before taking griseofulvin for hair yeast infection, pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor. Taking this drug during pregnancy can decrease the effectiveness of birth control pills. It is best to use birth control methods that don't contain hormones, such as a copper IUD, or an effective diaphragm. In addition, men should use birth control during treatment and for 6 months after stopping it. Oregano oil. The antifungal properties of oregano oil may help treat dandruff and improve scalp health. To use it, dilute it with carrier oil before applying it to the scalp. You can also purchase capsule forms of oregano oil, which may be more potent. You should always make sure to purchase only therapeutic-grade oil. You can also rub oregano oil onto the scalp for a soothing, natural remedy. Oregano oil contains carvacrol and thymol, 2 active ingredients that fight candida infections. Its antifungal properties also help to reduce bad cholesterol levels. Thymol is another active compound in oregano oil, which destroys cell membranes. This antifungal ingredient can help fight against both yeast and candida. Oregano oil is also effective for treating vaginal yeast infections. Despite its antifungal properties, oregano oil is also a potent topical antimicrobial. In a study published in 2017, it was found to be the most potent essential oil against fungi and bacteria. Oregano oil has also been shown to be effective against common candida fungal infections. Hence, it should be used as a topical treatment for rashes and skin infections. The antifungal and antibacterial properties of oregano oil can help treat a variety of ailments. Aside from treating yeast infections, it is also used for digestive ailments. Studies suggest that oregano oil can reduce cholesterol levels and improve gut health. It may also promote collagen production. Although oregano oil is effective for treating numerous conditions, it should be used under the guidance of a doctor. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.